Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best kinetic recovery ropes on Amazon. Kinetic recovery ropes are relatively safe and easy to use, whether you need to recover off-road vehicles, everyday drivers, farming equipment, or commercial vehicles. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Innercity Recovery and Tow Rope Strap. The Innercity Recovery and Tow Rope Strap is 30 feet long with a 1-inch diameter, and it has a braking strength of more than 44,000 pounds, making it a good option for heavier vehicles. It can be, however, too much rope for a basic Jeep or 4x4 vehicle, so keep that in mind. This high-strength, sturdy rope undergoes 200 tensile strength tests before it's sold to consumers to ensure that it's safe to use. It includes a protective cover that minimizes abrasion, and it's specially dyed to be chemical and UV light resistant. The rope also functions in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 215 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like about it: high braking strength for bigger vehicles. Subjected to vigorous testing for safety purposes. Protective cover. Endures extreme temperatures. What we don't like about it: storage bag is of poor quality. Number 2. Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. Our top pick is the Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope because you can efficiently recover vehicles that are stuck and not have to pay a lot to do so. Made of heavy-duty synthetic fiber, this durable rope is made by a California-based company and comes with a lifetime warranty. It also comes in a zipper storage bag with enough space to fit soft shackles and other gear. Overall, it's strong, gets the job done, and is a great piece of gear for a recovery kit. However, it does not come with soft shackles or a recovery snatch block, which add to the cost when you purchase them separately. What we like about it: lifetime warranty. Several sizes are available. US-based manufacturer. Efficiently and safely recovers vehicles. What we don't like about it: soft shackles not included. Number 3. Bubba Rope Power Stretch Recovery Rope. The 7/8-inch Bubba Rope Power Stretch Recovery Rope is available in 20-foot and 30-foot options. The latter features a 28,600-pound braking strength and is made to stretch in order to aid in the recovery of off-road vehicles. Designed to pull trucks, cars, and other items out of snow, sand, mud, and ditches, it features double-braided nylon with an abrasion-resistant vinyl polymer coating. The rope is made in America and built according to U.S. Army specs regarding splicings and coatings. The manufacturer claims that the rope is stronger and more durable than most rival recovery ropes, snatch straps, and chains. What we like about it: built to military specs. Abrasion-resistant coating. Strong and durable. What we don't like about it: pricey. Shackle must be purchased separately. Emits a strong odor. Number 4. OffRoading Gear Kinetic Recovery and Tow Rope. This kinetic recovery and tow rope from OffRoading Gear is available in several sizes, making it useful for Jeeps, medium-sized SUVs, ATVs, and smaller trucks. This particular model has a braking strength of 28,600 pounds. It is made of double-braided nylon and includes abrasion-resistant coated eyelets. It also comes with a heavy-duty storage bag that is roomy enough to include other off-road accessories you may need on your adventures. Overall, it's a high-quality option and will not strain your vehicle's frame during recovery operations. Plus, it's reasonably priced, making it a good choice for those who are on a budget. What we like about it: coated eyelets for abrasion resistance. Heavy-duty storage bag. Reasonably priced. What we don't like about it: not as elastic as some rival options. The jerk tugging motion may be more obvious compared to competitor ropes. Number 5. Grip 20 feet 7/8 in Kinetic Energy Recovery Rope. If you're on a budget, check out the Grip Kinetic Energy Recovery Rope. With a safe working load limit of 10,985 pounds and a braking strength of 21,970 pounds, this rope is 45% stronger compared to wire rope. It's made of double-braided nylon and is UV resistant, so it will hold up in sunny conditions. This stretchy rope is a great recovery tool for a variety of vehicles, including trucks, ATVs, and farm machinery. What we like about it: inexpensive. Much stronger than wire rope. Long-lasting construction. What we don't like about it: may not be as effective as more premium options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.